Hello, my friend. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm so excited to share these products with you. It is time for us to release a new Flip It, and this one is something that completely different than what we've normally done, and so I'm so excited about it. It is our Octagon Flip It, and let me just tell you, everyone loves interactive cards. They love to receive them. The crafters love to make them. They are just so much fun, right? They just kind of change up card making. And Flip It dies are so easy to make, which makes it even easier, right? And the fun thing is it comes with the word good day, which is optional if you want, of course. It comes with these fun little swirls. Now, I also created other words that are add-ons if you want. So this could say, miss you, hello there, or hello you, because sometimes people say that, that's fun, or just hello. It's up to you, right? Those are an add-on option. Also, we are releasing the flag of the United States of America. This flag has 2 shadow dies to add even more to your flag. And look at how fun that is. Now, does it have 50 stars? I don't think it does because I don't think they would all fit. 1, 2, 3. I'm not going to count them because it'll take too long. But USA Fold It die set. Look at how awesome that is. Now, let's jump in and look at all the samples because these are so much fun. So first, we start off with this one. Good day. Look at that. Look how cute with the little extra ladybugs on there with that hidden panel. Yes, you can do the hidden panel technique with this die set. Here's another one. Love this. Hello there. Hello there. Hi there. Look at that. I love that. Here's another one. Good day, which it seems perfect with the little koalas, doesn't it? Good day. Good day. You know, I love that. Here we go. Here's another fun one. Hello there. Hello there. Just sometimes you just want to send a little, hey, thinking about you. How about this one? Miss you. Isn't that perfect? When you're missing somebody, send them a little card and let them know, right? Here's another one. Good day. Now, this is completely, literally, a card in a package, right? Because all you need to do is add the paper. You're getting the words good day. You're getting all the layering dies. And look at how easy peasy that is, right? Here's another one. Hello there. Open that up for, ooh, there's a gift card in there. Woohoo. Look at, you can write your message. Again, the hidden panel technique, which is so much fun. Adds extra real estate for you to decorate. Here's another fun one. Good day. Look at those fun swirls. Yes, the swirls are included in the set, which is so fun. Now, you can also use the octagons separately. They don't have to go on the Flip It. Look at this one. Hello there. Add the bees because bees, hexagons, octagons, almost the same. Isn't that awesome? I love that. It says, hello there, bestie. Isn't that cute? Bestie friend, bestie friend. I love that. So then let's look at this one. Oh, that was a sneak peek, actually. Whoa, sneak peek. Here we go. Miss you with our fun epoxy sunflowers. Love that. Isn't that cute? And then open that up. You're on my mind and in my heart. That is the true warrior and more tailgate to stamp. Love that. Now, oh, here's another good day. Oh, shaker card. Shaker card. Good day. Look at those butterflies. They're just flying away. Isn't that awesome? I love that. Now, let's look at some flags. So here is the flag. And remember when I said this is A2 in size? Remember when I said it had 2 layering dies? So here it's layered with the dark blue or the midnight and white and then all of the stripes. Open this up. Look at how cute this is. But the best part about this is if you use our little belly button notch die, you can also make this a stand-up. Look at that. What? Isn't that awesome? Love it. Or you could make it a banner. Look how fun that is. Make your own little extra banner up at the top using scalloped circle dies. Just cut in half. So easy peasy, right? Get those scallop dies out and make it, cut them in half. There you go. 4th of July. Can you imagine putting this on your door? When somebody comes to your door, they would love that. Ooh, this one is fun. This must be Yvette. Yep, Yvette. Yvette's our I don't want to say grunge because that doesn't sound right, but our kind of extra pieces here. Happy 4th of July. Look at that. Love it. Here's another one, very similar but very different because of the techniques. This is just cardstock. And look at how fun that is. Same happy 4th of July, but it looks completely different. How is that possible, right? Isn't that awesome? This one is folded on the side. This one is folded at the top. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Here's another one. You could just go plain if you want to. So simple. Love it. Ooh, or add it to an A2 size card. Look at that. I love that. You got your shadow in the background. Happy 4th of July. And last but certainly not least, I'm going to make these and put these in my pots in front of my house, a little yardstick, and put them in all my plants for 4th of July. Isn't that awesome? So much fun. The boys are going to help me make this. I absolutely love this. Now, club members, you know the deal. You know. I'm just explaining it for the people that might not be club members. Club members get 15 to 20% off our website every single day, every single item, every single order. If you place an order today, 15 to 20% off. If you place another order tomorrow, 15 to 20% off. Well, what if I want to buy fabric boxes? Yeah, not one exclusion. Online classes, card stock, you name it, you get the discount. It's like a sale every day. Now, if you're not in the clubs, they can start as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new, made in the United States, high quality photopolymer stamp set delivered to your house for $13.99. USA 4x6 stamp set for $13.99 delivered to your house. Well, is there $5 shipping? No. Is there extra shipping? No. If you're in Canada, it's 50 cents more. If you're international, it's $1.50 more. Amazing, right? Now, what do you get? You get a 4x6 stamp set shipped to you automatically each month, a brand new one, and you get 15% off our website every day. Now, what if something's on flash sale? You get the flash sale price and 15% off. You also get club points on every purchase. You also get anniversary gift certificates. If you stay in the stamp club for a full year, on your anniversary, you get a $15 gift certificate as our gift to you to say thank you. You get freebies every couple months because we like to spoil our club members. And you get the most incredible stamping community, the most incredible community in general, on our official Facebook fan page. Make sure you go join one of our clubs. Check it out. Go to thestampsoflife.com, click on join the clubs, and just watch that video because you know what? I think you're going to find something you like. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.